This is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. Now that we're finished making our baby doll sleeping bag, I want to work on some accessories to go along with it. I've cut 2 small rectangles to make a pillow that will coordinate with the sleeping bag, and I think I'll put a line of the trim right across the middle just so it has a little more decoration to go along with it. And with this fabric, the lining fabric, I'm going to make a bag to put both the pillow and the sleeping bag in, just a little carrying case. I'll carry this around to my sewing machine and sew the trim on. Make some space. And I'll just kind of freehand the spacing right down the middle of the pillow, put on the edge of the ribbon, and I'll sew down the other side as well. It will be just a little extra something that the little girl will enjoy playing with her baby dolls when she's using her sleeping bag. I'll continue sewing this ribbon on, and in the next clip we'll work on sewing the 2 pieces of the pillow together and stuffing the pillow.